We have a traffic alert concerning Route 30 between Interstate 83 to Route 74 in York County. You may notice a few construction projects, and that could cause congestion. Ireland Viscount joins us now live to explain. Ireland.
Valerie, a portion of westbound Route 30 is going to be closed for an entire weekend for a sinkhole repair.
We've gotten to the point now where we have to perform a permanent repair.
A sinkhole project will close a portion of westbound Route 30 for an entire weekend east of the off-ramp to Route 74 or Carlisle Street. It will begin November 8th at 7 p.m. and is expected to reopen by 6 a.m. on November 11th.
But it's potential that it could last longer than that, depending on what they find when they open up the road and kind of look down in there and start working.
Thompson says about 19,000 vehicles travel through the westbound corridor daily, so avoid the area the weekend of the repair or use the detour.
We'll be pushing traffic off to Roosevelt Avenue to Route 238 and then down.
Thompson says this could cause congestion not only on Route 30.
And additional traffic that folks that live on the detour route probably aren't used to experiencing.
This is all part of a project on Route 30 that started in July. It goes from Interstate 83 to Route 74 in York County.
It's an $8.7 million pavement patching project, but there's a lot of other stuff going on. ADA curb ramps, new guide rail, new signs, pavement markings, sub-base repairs.
The project along Route 30 is worked on at night from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. and is estimated to be completed in November 2025. In the studio, Ireland Viscount, ABC 27 News.